Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simple Life of Jolene. If you guys are new here, welcome to the Simple Fam. So today I'm going to be doing a video kind of showing you guys how I guess do my skin routine, my face skin routine I should say. My face skin routine is pretty simple, straightforward, as you guys will see it in the video. But with all due, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are old, thank you guys for holding me down and staying with me through even my little hiatus time. But as I said in my previous videos, I was doing class and stuff, and sometimes it do get a lot. But I should say for my skin routine, like my face skin routine, I am pretty simple. For years when I was younger, all I simply do was just water, get up in the morning, wash my face, and I'm out the door. I never use like in soap on my face, like all these product and stuff, because I find sometimes when I use the product, my skin will break out. So I find that over the years my skin just go well with just washing with water, natural way, and just go. And a lot of people, when I do tell them that, they're like, oh my god girl, what are you doing, you can't do that, blah blah blah. So I have like implement a little bit of skin product in my routine, but not too much. So yeah, let me show you guys what I do and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I am gonna do is I am gonna be taking this makeup stuff off my face because I forgot to do that last night because I was being lazy. But anyways, this is some olive oil and coconut oil, so I don't have my makeup remover stuff, so I'm just gonna use some oil because I'm gonna take it off. And I like to use the oil on my face anyways because I just find I have really bad dry skin, and I find it helps with me. Maybe it don't help for other people, but for me, I find it helps because my skin is a little bit weird. So yeah, so I just pretty much rub the oil on my face. Pretty much. So, but anyways, you guys can leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys skin routine is. If you guys are pretty simple as me, look, makeup all yucky and stuff, so I know how you guys. Let me get one more, but I'll put some more on it because I want it to be very, I'm gonna scrub it anyway, so yeah. But as I was saying, yeah, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys do for your skin routine. If you guys are pretty simple as me, where you just do your thing. So okay, so like how I got that off, the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cleanse my face. So first I'm gonna start with this Clinique liquid face soap. I'm gonna use that one first and just pump a little bit in my hand, not too much, as you can see, just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna rub that in my face. Scrub it like a clean all through. People tell me over the years I'm pretty rough, but I'm very rough with my skin. So yeah, I don't know, I have a rough hands, heavy hands, so they go hard. So I wash this off. So that part is done. The next thing I'm gonna do is use this Vasanity. I think it's Vasanity. Oh, no, maybe. Vasanity Brighten Up Eczematic Face Rejuvenator. I don't know what you guys can say better than me, but I'm gonna use that. It's supposed to brighten up your face. So it's a face scrub. So I'm gonna use that. Just like that much. And I'm gonna scrub. It has kind of like a scrub feeling, like it's rough, like a stone, you know, when you're scrubbing your face. It has that kind of thing in the face. So I love to use it to scrub. When I use my hand, I go hard and I scrub it to take off the dry skin, like, because I have the dry skin. I find the winter time is really dry, so this is perfect for me in the winter time. And I just 5-10 minutes and I just rub it in. And I love the little particles that's in there that feels like little stones. But it's not, because it's a scrub. You guys know what the scrub feel like. And I just rub for like 5-10 minutes. To my face, I can feel it. My face feels like I can feel the skins and everything, like it's really getting into my pores. Now I wash it off. Get my towel and I dry my face. Now it's all dry. Okay. So what I like to do before I put any product on, I get an ice. So this is my step, the ice. And because when you put it on your face, you get watery and wet and stuff. So what I do instead is I rub it on my face first quickly. And then, because it's like running all over, making a mess, I don't like that. So I get a piece of paper towel, or you can use a rag, or a little thin rag, but I use the paper towel because it's thick enough. And I put it inside of it, and then I just rub it on my face. And I just keep rubbing it. And I find with this, it wakes my face up. I got this, actually it's so funny, I used to do this before all the time. And then I was watching a YouTube video with Ricky Martin, and it was so funny. As a guy, I was shocked that he did it too. And he's like, this is his favorite in the morning. Every morning he used ice on his face, and it helps to wake your face up and just give your face that fresh morning glow. And I find even, you know, you wake up in the morning, like right now I have bags, so I find when I put the ice on my face, it helps to take down the poofiness and the swelling that you have from sleeping, and, you know, take out all those little wrinkle spots and little lines and stuff within your face, and just revive it. So and I find when I do this and before I put the makeup on, my face even looks so much better. So you guys can try this tip and let me know what you guys think of it. But yeah, I just continue doing it on my face and just keep going, put it under the bags, you know, can't forget underneath the eyes, because those are the ones that draw attentions to your face. And I just keep on going. Yeah, but it's pretty cold, but it feels so, like, I don't know, when I do it, I can't explain, like my face just feels so much different. And I find that it actually make a difference. And what I mean that is, my son used to always come to me and he's like, Mom, you look so stressed. Like your face looks so stressed. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I never understand. And all of a sudden I start using back the highs, and he come to me one day and he's like, Mom, he's like, your face look different. Your face looks nice. And I said, oh, it does? And I'm like, thanks. And I'm like, what do you mean? And then he's like, oh, you don't look stressed anymore. You actually look relaxed. And then I thought to myself and I said, oh my God, it's the ice. I've been using the ice, and the ice is helping to take the stress look out of my face and brighten up my face, so it makes such a difference. So I just continue. So from now back, I pick back up my habit, and every morning this is my routine. So even if I don't use the other product I show you, I wash my face with water. As I said, I'm just this water person, and I know a lot of people gonna be going down in my comment, I know, but just leave me alone. That's just how I've always been from I was a kid. And trust me, look at my face. I have never had acne. I have never had any like face breakout. The only breakout I ever had, and I can say to anybody, is when I had my daughter. I had a really bad dry skin after I gave birth to her. Like my face was like dry, like the skin, like when you put the makeup on, you could even see the skin like the what I should say, the dead skin and everything, like peeking through. It was really bad. So I even had to use baking soda to be able to scrub my skin to take it off. And that's the only time I would say I've ever had an issue. Other than that, people have always complimented me and tell me that I have really nice skin, my face look good. I don't really need like makeup and all those stuff. But yeah, but this is my routine. Simple, easy. So that's it. And what I like with the paper towel, I like to use it because then I can just wring it out, and I can use, because they're dark, and just pat my face. Because you know they always say it's better to leave some of the water, like a little bit of water. Don't make your face too dry, because then you're like drying out your skin. So that's what I've heard. And then the next thing I use after that, I will get, this is the Tani Comfort Lotion Hydration. So this one is almost finished, but I really like this. I have this for a long time, and I just use a little tab, as you can see, and I just rub it in my hand, and I just pat it in my face. I just do like that, and that. And then the other one that I've used, and this is the Clinique Mild Clarifying Lotion. So this one, the Clinique Clarifying, Modified Clarifying Lotion. This is the two only product I use. As I said, I put a tiny bit, it's kind of runny, so you can see, and I just rub it in my hand, and I just do that, and that, and that's it, and I'm pretty done. Sometimes what I do is, if I'm scrubbing my face, I also use this little scrubby I picked up. I will use on my face. You can see makeup's on there now, but I'm trying to take it out. But yeah, sometimes I use that to scrub my face when I'm scrubbing. But I find that your hands do wonders than all these stuff that they sell. So that's what I like to use. For my night routine, it's pretty simple, but I'll do a next video showing you that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my morning skincare, like face skincare routine. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. And yeah, don't forget, leave me a comment down below and let me know how you feel about the ice trick, and tell me if it actually worked for you. But as I can say, look at my skin. I'm not wearing any makeup. I just got up. So yeah, I look a little crazy. But other than that, yeah, this is it.